Erica from Erica Scroggins Jewelry, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful pin. You can pin it on anything, so I thought that was pretty cool. It's a beginner class. It requires one wire and one gemstone. You will need some flush cut. Well, I'll go through that in a minute. And then here's another tiny one I made. These are just the base frames for these. Anyway, I'll try. So I have the moonstone, and it is about as big around as the top of these pliers here. This is my old pair. My son ran off with my other pair and I cannot find them. So I've got 8 inches of, let's see here, about 8 inches or 9 inches of wire. And I'm going to go 4 inches. Guessing that's about 4 inches. Exactly 4 inches, or almost exactly 4 inches up the wire. And then I'm just going to bring it into my circle here. And then I'll take this sticky putty off of the back of my stone.
He will not join us willingly. Fool, I do think we walk the road. Let me go, you hear me? Let me go. Get the is the luckiest day of your life.
Can you please pause? So now it's just straight across. I'm going to put one more loop in here, and it is about a 1/2 inch out. And here I'm going to turn the wire just so that it is upright. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's sitting straight. So I'm just going to bend this down. So this is the top wire. It needs to be even with this hook. So I'm just going to grip this wire really hard, and then make sure that it is even. I just need to trim this. in this. I leave a little bit because you have to sharpen that so it goes through the clothes or material or like whatever you're putting it on. Your shirt. So just open that hinge back up. And run it over your file. I'm using a fine tooth file. So it'll have a polished sheen when I'm done and you won't be able to see scratches on the metal. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze this back down and hook it, and it's done. So I hope you enjoyed making this with me. If you have time, like and subscribe because it would really help me and my family and my channel out. So thank you. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas.